Hi beautiful guys, welcome back to the channel. Today Day, I'll show you how to archive photos in Google Photos so you can keep your gallery clean without deleting your memories. Open the Google Photos app. This app is commonly used as the main gallery on many devices and automatically backs up your pictures and videos if backup is turned on. Once the app opens, you'll see all your photos and videos in the Photos tab. Scroll through your gallery and find the picture or pictures you want to archive. To select a photo, simply long press on it until a check mark appears. If you want to archive multiple photos, just tap on the other images after selecting the first one. After selecting the photos, see the menu bar for additional options. Tap on the Archive or Move to Archive option. As soon as you tap it, the selected photos will be moved to the Archive folder. Archived photos are not deleted, they're just hidden from the main gallery view. You can still find them anytime by going to Library. Archive inside Google Photos. This is useful for hiding screenshots, documents, or photos you don't want cluttering your main photo feed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple and useful tech tips.